Hey everybody, today I'm going to be taking a look at this welding mask set. What's cool about this set is a bunch of accessories in the kit, not just the mask itself. It's going to make your user experience a lot better. What else is cool is that this will contain a true color screen. So let's go ahead, get it out of the package here, take a look at the accessories and give it a try. First thing you're going to see when you take this out of the package is it comes with this nice bag. What I think is really cool too is it has these extra long straps here that you're going to be able to use as a backpack. So this is going to be really cool, especially taking this out into a field or something like that where you're going to be working. What else I think is really nice is it does have this wide open area right here. It's going to make it really easy to get all of your accessories back into the bag when you're done. So the first thing you're going to get your set of gloves here. It's going to be awesome, especially for new beginner welders. Next in the kit here, you are going to get a set of welding screens. Now what's cool about this is there will be 6 of these screens in the set. And this is going to be really great, especially for longevity. When you're welding, you get some splatter on there. These are going to be able to replace the screen, so any kind of marring and things like that can be replaced. You're also going to get 2 of the lithium-ion batteries here, which is going to be great. It's going to be one less thing you have to worry about, especially when you're doing a lot of welding. And then you're also going to get your instruction manual. Next, you're going to get the welding mask itself. What I think is really cool about this, again, it does have this very large 3x9 by 3x9 screen. This is going to be really awesome, especially with the true color. You're not going to have to worry about any kind of like weird darkness or things like that. You're going to be able to see what you're welding very clearly. The other thing that's really cool is on the side here, you do have all of your adjustments. So on the top, this is going to be your delay. And what else is cool too is each of these are a dial and not just something you need to click into place. So you're going to be able to really fine tune whatever kind of settings you like. You're also going to have your shade setting here. So this will be your DIN. And then you're going to have your sensitivity. So this is going to be able to pick up a bunch of different types of light, things like that if you're grinding, doing light welding or heavy welding. And speaking of that, you do have these 3 little settings here you can flip between. So you'll have your grind settings. So this makes sure that the mask doesn't turn on while you're using it, especially in a grinding situation, something like that. You have your 5 to 9 DINs for light welding, and then you're going to have your 9 to 13 for heavy welding. Now the other thing that's really nice about this set here is it does have this fully adjustable head strap. You can see here it goes out really nice and wide, and it does articulate. And you also are going to get this little foam pad here, and that's going to help keep the sweat out of your eyes while you're working. You can see here it's really easy to get on. You can tighten that really nicely, and then you can strap it right down here like this to your face. And as you can see here, it does have a really nice feel. And again, fully adjustable. You're going to be able to adjust these top straps here to fit different head heights. And you're also going to be able to set the adjustment for how high up it's going to sit. Some other things that are really nice about this welding mask is it does have the integrated solar panels here. The LCD display obviously is going to be dimming very quickly at 1/25,000th of a second. So you're not going to have to worry about your eyes getting burned out or anything like that. And it does have 4 sensors built into it to detect that light to make sure your eyes stay safe. So again, you can see here the mask, really easy to put on. Flip it down, and you can see here in the back how nice everything just holds very nicely on the back of your head. You can shake your head, move around. It's very tight, and it's not going to fall off. So I can say overall, it's a pretty great little set, especially you get gloves, and these gloves actually fit large hands. I think this is really great. You're going to get the mask. You're going to get 6 of the extra shields here. You're going to get extra batteries, and you're also going to get a bag to make sure everything stays safe and stored away very nicely.